All right, if you like to try to fix things yourself, maybe things like electronics, like your computer, other electronics, the problem can be is you might not have the right type of tools to even begin. Maybe you don't have screwdrivers that are small enough to be able to go into those tight little places and get those small, tiny screws out. Well, I actually came across this right here. This is a precision screwdriver set. I'm gonna show you everything that this has and just how it works. All right, let's take a look at what comes in the box here. You do get the little hand piece here, and then you just take the little driver bits, obviously, and you can insert them in there. Let's show you how easy that is. And I like the fact that these are magnetic. And then you get all these different driver bits right here. So these are going to be your standard screwdriver types with the Phillips head and flat head that you get. These are going to be your more star-shaped and some more over here. So a lot of different options. I like that because you never know which ones you're going to get. Down here, you do get a little cleaning brush, which is great because if you're working on something like your laptop, you're working on making everything better, this allows you to get in and clean out in between those keys and things like that. Or if you're, once you get inside and you're trying to clean off a lot of the components, this is a great thing to have. Next thing is that you do get this little plastic pick here. I like this opener right here. It's got the nice curved top on both sides. So if you do need to get in and pry something open, you can easily do that. You also get some of these, I like to call them almost like guitar pick openers. And then you get these little grasping tongs here as well. Something that you might not think about. This here is actually a suction cup. So if you had a hard time getting something, you can suction cup this right on and help you, lift something off. And I like this because you could place your hand finger right there and rotate, and it works really easy. All right, it's a little bit hard to see in there, but this is one of those special screws. It only has 3 little grooves. It has one of these style screws. And by the way, this of course is magnetic, which makes it very easy for getting those screws out. All right, now that I got all the screws out, I still need to get this open. So I'm glad they give a lot of these different tools. Let's try one of them out. That was the winning one for me. You can see I'm starting to get it open now. So if you're looking for a precision screwdriver set, this one right here, I think works really good, is a great option.